迎接翻2023年嘅第八條啦，頭先講到我哋鯨落嗰條題目啦，繼續落去啦喎，咁我哋嚟到第八嘅第 C part 嘅部分啦，都係關於我哋鯨落群體嗰一樣嘢啦，咁喺呢度就講到啦喎，After the soft tissues of the whale's dead body have been consumed, another group of organisms start to feed on the remaining nutrients from the skeleton。即係話俾你聽啦，我哋鯨魚嘅 body 啦，開始俾人 consume 咗之後啦，咁俾人 consume 即係你 likely 就我哋頭先講嘅 part B 嗰啲 decomposer 啦，即係 decomposer 食完之後啦，就話俾你聽，有第二 group 嘅 organism 咧都會開始食佢嘅嘢啦，就係食佢啲骨骼嘅嘢啦。For an average size whale 啦，it could have 2,000 to 3,000 kilogram lipid store inside its skeleton。咁即係 likely 其實原來咧個堆新嘅 organism 咧，其實 likely 就應該係食緊啲 lipid 啦，因為話俾你聽，原來個 skeleton 個骨骼入面咧都有好多唔同嘅脂質喺入面嘅喎。The bar chart below shows the abundance of different species that feed on the skeleton of the whale over time。以下呢個 bar chart 啦，就顯示咗唔同嘅 species、唔同嘅物種佢哋個 abundance，即係個數量啦，喺唔同嘅時間上面。你可以見到啦，呢度都有五種唔同物種啦，P、Q、R、S、T 啦，總共五種。佢哋分別喺唔同嘅時間，佢哋個 abundance 個數量都有啲唔同。望一望條題目問緊啲乜嘢啦？Complete the following table with evidence from the bar chart to support that the above case is an example of ecological succession。重點嚟啦，原來佢哋想問大家究竟知唔知道上面嗰個 bar chart 有啲乜嘢嘅證據可以證明呢一個係一個 ecological succession 咧？即係我哋嘅生態演替咧。同學仔望一望上面條題目啦。其實記唔記得我哋 ecological succession 有啲乜嘢特質先？即係咩特點先？即係你要知道有咩特點，你先再可以喺上面攞到啲 evidence 落去證明呢一樣嘢噶嘛？係咪？ecological succession 無論係 primary succession 啦，定係 secondary succession 咧，其實你隨住時間上面，其實你個 dominant species 都會唔同噶嘛，都會有所變化噶嘛，係咪？其實呢一個咪就係其中一個特徵咯。點樣可以喺上面嘅圖片顯示得到啊？你睇下0至6個月嘅時候，其實個 dominant species 係咩啊？係我橙色而家 highlight 嘅物種 P 啊嘛，係咪？當去到13至18個月嘅時候，你見得最多嘅時候係咩？最多已經去咗我哋嘅 species PR 啦喎，即係白色個洞啦，係咪？繼續落去啦，去到37至42個星期啦喎，42個月啦喎。你見到 dominant 嘅變咗係咩啊？dominant 變咗係 species S 喎。其實呢個咪就係其中一個特徵，去證明佢係一個 ecological succession 咯。因為隨住時間嘅變化，其實佢個物種嘅 dominant 係唔同嘅喎，係咪？呢個咪就係其中一個特徵咯。我哋就要寫啦。characteristic 啦，頭先照講嘅啫，dominant species is replaced over time 啦，即係隨住時間上啦，唔同嘅 species 都會俾人去 replace 啊。有咩 evidence 去 support 啊？咪照講翻咯。喺0至6個月嘅時候，個 dominant 嘅係 species 幾啊？係 species P 啊嘛。跟住繼續落去嘅時候，去到13至18個月，去到我哋呢個25至36啦嘅時候，係邊個啊？係 species，我哋嘅白色即係我哋 species R 啦。跟住最終咯，去到我哋嘅37個星期打後，37個月打後啦，就變咗係我哋嘅 species S 啦。呢個咪就係顯示咗個 evidence 咯？點樣證明？原來佢就係隨住時間嘅變化，令到佢個物種係唔同喎，即係個 dominant 個物種係唔同喎，就係咁啦。繼續落去咯。人哋叫你兩個 evidence 啊嘛，係咪？即係個 table 4分啊嘛。好明顯每個框框就1分啦，係咪？我哋而家答咗2分，咁仲有另外個2分點樣去答咧？同學仔諗一諗先。其實除咗我哋嘅 dominant species is replaced over time 之外，我哋仲有乜嘢特徵係可以證明得到佢係一個 ecological succession 啊？就係去到最終嘅時候，我哋會 reach 咗一個 climax community 咯，即係中文嘅同學仔，即係會頂級群落咯，係咪？即係去到最終嘅時候，原來係唔會再變化噶咯，即係大家個 proportion 啊，或者邊個係 dominant 啊，就應該會穩定咗噶咯。我哋點樣去知道呢樣嘢？ 咪就係睇最後嗰幾個月咯。你可以見到，其實呢幾個月份入面，你見到最高嘅永遠都係我哋嘅 species S，跟住第二高嘅會係我哋白色嘅 species R，最少嘅會係我哋嘅 species T，而永遠去到打後咧，淨係得呢三種物種嘅啫。即係暫時喺呢幅圖入面咧，呢個 bar chart 入面咧，見唔到有其他物種嘅出現啦，或者見唔到有其他物種去影響呢個 proportion 啊嘛。咁即係我哋可以由此推斷，其實佢而家呢一刻理論上就應該 reach 咗個 climax community 嘅喎，即係頂級群落嘅喎，到達咗一個頂級群落。咁呢個咪就係其中一個證據咯。咁啊，characteristic of ecological succession 嘅第二個證據咪就係佢係一個 climax community 咯。咁啊，中文嘅同學仔寫埋啦，頂級即係 reach 咗一個 climax community，咁咪就係正常咯。咁啊，繼續我哋個 evidence 就講翻啦。其實我哋嘅 species R、S 同 T 啦，即係最後嗰三個 R、S 同埋 T 啦，佢哋 remain stable 喺我哋嘅49至50個月之後啦。咁其實呢個咪已經係一個 evidence 咯。咁其實我哋 characteristic of ecological succession 除咗呢兩個之外，其實我哋仲有第二啲嘅證據嘅喎，可以都當年考評都接受嘅喎。就係你可以話其實隨住時間上面啦，佢哋個 composition 唔同咗啦，即係喺唔同嘅月份入面，佢哋嘅 composition 佢哋嘅組成唔同咗啦。又或者你可以講話，隨住時間嘅出現，會有新嘅 species 出現咗。咁呢個當年考評局都係接受嘅，即係作為一個 alternative，話你個 composition 唔同咗又得，又或者你話哦有新嘅 species 出現，佢亦都可以接受。咁所以其實兩樣嘢都係顯示緊個 characteristic of ecological succession 咯。咁我哋呢度寫埋啦，就照寫啦。即係呢個第三個答案嚟嘅，即係你考試其實寫兩個得啦。不過咧，我哋教書啊嘛，咁啊自然講埋啦，就可以話到啦。其實我哋嘅 composition 咧 of community 啦，changes over time 啦，隨住時間會有所變化啦。點樣去顯示呢樣嘢啊？咁其實你咪照講咯。哦，頭嗰零至六個月嘅時候，你會見到我哋嘅 P 同埋我哋嘅 R 出現啦。咁啊照寫啦，0至6個月嘅時候就淨係得 P 同埋 R，但係跟住隨住時間噶咯喎，跟住你會見到，當我哋去到7至12個月嘅時候，有新嘅 species Q 出咗嚟啦喎，7至12個月啦，咁啊 new species 嘅我哋頭先嘅 Q 啦。出咗嚟咯喎，咁其實呢一個咪就係話俾人哋聽，哦，其實原來咧隨住時間上啦，咁 composition 個組成都會唔同噶喎，咁呢個亦都係一個特徵嚟嘅。咁其實呢個題目啦，其實當年個 performance 就唔好嘅，咁點解咧？因為好多同學仔其實唔知道 characteristic of ecological succession 係啲乜嘢，因為書入面咧其實冇專登去講呢一樣嘢。但我相信過咗2023年之後，其實書入面就應該會慢慢開始提翻呢樣嘢。因為當年考評局用咗4分去問呢一樣嘢，你諗下，如果你唔知道 characteristic of ecological succession 嘅話，其實你永遠都唔會答到後面嗰一分嘅啦，個 evidence from the bar chart，因為你係一個配對題嚟噶嘛，你一定要拍，即係你一定要前面嗰個 characteristic 啱，你後面個 evidence 啱先會有分噶嘛，你調翻轉嘅話，其實係冇分噶嘛，係咪？咁所以呢一樣嘢一定要知啦。咁我好快咁樣望一望個 marking scheme 啦。咁啊，頭先講過啦，你一定要 quote relevant data with explanation 啦。咁你1+1嘅結構，咁啊兩個 evidence，咁所以就自然係4分啦。咁啊，any two set 都得噶啦。咁啊，第一個就頭先所講啦，dominant species is replaced over time 啦。咁你記住有咩特徵啊？一定要 with time reference。咁頭先咧，我答題目嘅時候都講咗啦，即係0至6個月嘅時候就係 species P。13至18個月嘅時候，去到25至36個月嘅時候就變咗 R 啦，37個月之後就變咗 species S 啦。咁一定要有 time frame，冇 time frame 冇分啊嚇！呢個題同學仔一定要有時間性。人哋俾咗個 month 你，你一定要寫翻個月份落去，知唔知道？ 咁啊，第二個 point，咁啊，composition 或者 structure of community changes over time 啦，唔先呢個都講過啦。或者當年咧，考評局其實都接受另外一個答案嘅，就係話個 emergence of new species 佢都接受嘅。咁啊，呢個都接受，咁所以你可以寫 emergence of new species，咁你就唔使寫 composition 或者 structure of the community changes over time 啦。但係考評局都話咗俾你聽啦，一定要有一個 description showing the change in composition。好似我咁啦，即係你講咗 R0至6個月嘅時候，原來係 P 同 R 淨係得 P 同 R 嘅啫。咁啊後面之後咧，又多咗個 Q 出現喎，咁呢個亦都係一個 evidence 去 support 呢一樣嘢。咁啊最尾個答案咁，其實呢個同學仔都會知㗎啦。community 即係 ecological succession 其中一個特徵就係 climate community 啦。咁啊，記住 remain stable，即係佢哋咧穩定咗啦。咁所以就 wish 咗一個 climate community，咁亦都係一個 evidence 去 support 個 ecological succession 呢一樣嘢。咁啊，望一望個當年嘅 performance 啊，咁先都輕輕咁提及過啦。咁啊，其實呢條第八條嘅 part C，咁啊 performance poor 啦，因為好多坊間嘅書其實都冇講過個 characteristic of ecological succession 係啲乜嘢。好多同學仔就係答到我哋嘅climate community，但係其餘嗰啲 point 就答唔到啦。咁所以呢度就話俾你聽啦，淨係得一個 small proportion of candidates correctly identify the data pattern that match with the characteristic of ecological succession. Many candidates had difficulty specifying the characteristic of ecological succession。呢個就係先我講嗰樣嘢，好多同學仔唔知道究竟我哋嘅生態演替我哋嘅特徵係啲乜嘢，因為本書都冇教過。咁啊，繼續落去啦。咁啊，changes in the composition of the community and regional climate community were the most common characteristics data 啦。即係大部分同學仔都答到呢兩個㗎啦。即係有啲同學仔啦，但係有 some candidate answered emergence of new species which was accepted as an alternative for changes in the composition of the community。嗱，呢個唔係我吹出嚟㗎，係考評局自己講㗎。有啲人就話個 emergence of new species，咁當年係 accepted 嘅嚇。咁所以當年係可以，但係如果你往後嘅年份，其實你用得翻考評局最好嘅字眼就係個 composition of structure，即係呢一個，咁其實就會更加好。但 emergence of new species，假如你喺一條 MC 度見到啊，話俾你聽呢個係咪 characteristic of ecological succession 啊？你要答係，點解？因為考評局個 marking scheme 話俾我哋聽，即係當年個 candidate performance 話俾我哋聽，佢係接受呢樣嘢，即係佢都覺得呢一個係屬於個生化演替嘅一個特徵。咁所以一定係要答 yes 嚇。咁啊，usually 咧，those who could state the characteristic were also able to quote relevant data from the bar chart。咁所以頭先我講過嗰樣嘢啦，即係你連第一 part，你連個 characteristic 你都答唔到，其實你唔會 quote 到後面嗰一分咯，因為個 evidence 係攞嚟 support 你個 characteristic 噶嘛。咁呢個 characteristic 唔啱，自然你個 evidence 點寫都唔會啱噶啦，係咪？咁啊，最後啦，some candidates provide answer found in previous examination and gave reason to support whether it was a primary succession or secondary succession。呢個又係好評局成日都好講嘅一啲 common mistake 啊，即係其實大家成日都背書啊，齋背答案，背翻往年嘅 past paper 嘅答案，某啲情況下係得嘅，但唔係成日都得。你要望翻條題目問緊你係咪一模一樣嘅嘢先，因為之前嘅年份有問過啦，哦、究竟呢個係 primary 定係 secondary succession 咧，跟住叫你 provide reason 去答去 support 呢樣嘢啦。但係你望翻先，今年其實人哋係咪問緊你 primary 定係 secondary 啊？人哋都冇問你一樣嘢，人哋叫你去俾 evidence 去 support 呢個係一個 ecological succession 啫嘛。人哋都冇叫你去分別究竟分辨呢一個究竟係 primary 定係 secondary。咁你背翻往年去即係去支持 primary 或者 secondary 嘅 evidence，咁梗係唔啱啦，係咪？咁所以呢個其實好簡單嘅一樣嘢就係你連審題都審錯咗，咁考評局點樣俾分你咧？但係呢樣嘢佢寫得出嚟，即係唔係一兩個學生錯嘅嘢喎，即係當年考評局可能2萬幾個考生考 bio 嘅，其實可能幾千個考生都錯呢樣嘢喎，咁佢先會講出嚟噶嘛，佢唔會因為一兩個考生錯呢樣嘢去講出嚟噶嘛，係咪？咁所以呢一樣嘢其實真係大家唔好再煩，即係你望清嗰條題目究竟係咪問緊以往問緊嘅嘢先，條題目都唔同咗，你又背翻往年嘅答案，咁自然係唔會有分啦，係咪？咁啊，其實成條 part 即係成條第八條題目啦，關於鯨落咧一條比較新穎嘅題目啦。咁我其實我都幾中意呢條題目啦。咁其實呢條題目你話答落嚟難唔難咧？其實就唔係好難，只不過係同學仔未見過，有機會俾佢嚇親嘅啫。但呢條題目有咩 learning point？最大嘅 learning point 就係話俾你聽，你記住 characteristic of ecological succession 嗰3個特徵係啲乜嘢。咁啊，往年即係往後嘅年份咧，有機會去問翻啦。咁記住一定要背熟啦。即係 characteristic of 呢樣嘢其實照背又冇乜問題嘅。咁 evidence 梗係唔好背啦，因為下次個 evidence 唔會係同一個 bar chart 圖嚟噶嘛，咁背嚟都冇意思啦，係咪？咁所以 characteristic of ecological succession 呢一 part 可以記。咁啊，希望呢個講解幫到同學仔啦。